Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Honda Valkyrie. 1,800 cc's of 6-cylinder performance in a really cool futuristic style. This bike is smooth as they come. Very torquey, shaft drive. Come on by and make your big bore cruiser dreams come true with this awesome 2014 Valkyrie. Only 7,875 miles. Price to sell quickly at just $99.99. It's got a brand new front tire, just serviced, ready to go. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.